I'm Dr. Konstantin. I'm a facial plastic surgeon and a facelift expert. And today I'm going to talk about some of the misconceptions about the facelift that are still out there on the internet. People read this and they actually believe it. So please watch this and you might find out that something you knew about facelift is actually not correct. Myth number one, people believe that if they do just a little bit of a facelift, it's going to look more natural than if they really do a real facelift. And this cannot be further from the truth. If you do just a little bit of a facelift, you're just going to have the same gels and the same neck laxity, but maybe just a little smaller. It's not going to look more natural, it's just not going to look as good. So when we do the facelift, we always use Goldilocks rule. You cannot do too much, you cannot do too little, it has to be just right. Myth number two, just the opposite of number one. Some people believe that facelift has to be really tight after the facelift, and if it's not tight, then it's not good enough, and it's just gonna start drooping very quickly. And again, this is not correct. This might have been true for maybe 20, 30 years ago when people were tightening the skin, but with the new facelift techniques that relies on lifting the muscle underneath the skin, the tightness is never there, and that's why they look so natural. Number three, some people believe that if they do a facelift, they're gonna do another one, and then another one, and then they're gonna turn into this plastic surgery addicts that just keep doing things, and the face is gonna start looking stretched and pulled and unnatural, and they trying to avoid that. But of course, this is not true, because most people nowadays, they just get one facelift in their lifetime, and this is sufficient. Facelift can rejuvenate somebody's face by about 10 to 15 years, and this is plenty for most people, and they don't need another surgery ever. And number four, of course, is the opposite of three. People believe that if they get a facelift, they absolutely don't need to do anything else. They would never need Botox, they would never need fillers, they can forget about skincare and skin rejuvenation, and this is absolutely not true. Once you get your facelift, unfortunately, we cannot stop the aging process, and all of those treatments are going to help to slow down the aging, get rid of unwanted wrinkles, and keep the results of your facelift for as long as possible. And number five, the biggest myth of it all is that facelifts are only for celebrities. It's only for those rich and famous people who can afford it. And this is absolutely not true. If you budget for it, you can afford the facelift. Of course, it's a bit of an investment and it's not something that can be taken lightly, but everyone can afford it. If you put your mind to it, you can find the right facial plastic surgeon who is going to do a beautiful facelift for you. This is Dr. Konstantin. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe below.